What's up, world? It's your boy, Whitmore Merrick, newly promoted national director within this multi-million-dollar company. And I just want to sit down right now and take the time to shed a little light on what I got going on. I got my campaign going strong, Freedom for Felons. And I just want to elaborate a little bit on why I chose to take this opportunity. Basically, you know what I'm saying, being with corporate America, you come home and it's hard for a dude like us to get a job, you know what I'm saying? So we don't have too many opportunities. You know, being a felon, they already mark you out the box, you know what I'm saying? So basically, we're able to own our own business and help our family save or make money, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just trying to show everybody this another way, you know what I'm saying? You know, just coming home and you need an opportunity, you need to holler at me, man. You know, straight up. I got something that I can show you how to make wealth, how to generate wealth. You know what I'm saying? This is something that we might not be used to, but this is the new wave of hustle, man. You know what I'm saying? So basically, I'm going to just keep it short and sweet, and I'm going to just let you know, man, watch what I'm doing, because it's going to be some big things, man. So holler at your boy, man, when you're ready to change your life.